A lot of people ask me how they can ensure that their personal and business assets are passed on and protected to their families should they die. So today we're going to look at that in this video. Most people still haven't made a will, and they think the system will be fair and look after everyone should the worst happen. I tell them that they've spent a lot of time building their business, so it's really important that what they have in place gets them what they want. So we start with helping them make a will. A will means that when you die, your assets will be passed down in the way you want, in a timely manner and as tax efficiently as possible. Not having a will causes big delays to this, unnecessary costs, uncertainty, often disputes, and where children under 18 have been left, they can sometimes need to go into care temporarily while guardians are agreed. Plus, of course, the system that then kicks in, if you don't have a will, is highly unlikely to distribute your assets to exactly where you want them to go. I also get asked a lot on how to protect the business and personal assets that are passed across to a spouse and their children. This is where we look at using business and family trusts to ensure that whatever life holds in store for your beneficiaries, that they're protected in situations such as divorce and protected against long-term care costs. We also cover the big topic of inheritance tax, which at 40% of somebody's taxable estate, this is really important that this is managed properly. We cover all of these important issues and more as part of this service, and we find the most suitable route for our clients. Once it's done, and it should only need to be reviewed every few years. Do you have a will? If you do, have you reviewed it in the last 5 years? If the answer to either of those questions is no, then please contact us for a complimentary review. If you've learnt something from this video, please give it a like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos.